In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of exporting MBOX files from Thunderbird using the BitRecover Thunderbird Converter Wizard. To install our MBOX to Thunderbird export tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. Choose the data type to convert from the emails or contacts and calendars options. Here, users will see Convert Configured Thunderbird Mailbox Data option to automatically load Thunderbird. And let me select my Thunderbird Mailbox Data option to manually select Thunderbird Mailbox Data. Users can choose either one of the available options. Enable I am converting multiple users option if you have multiple user profiles. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the user folders that you want to export. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select MBOX option for this tutorial. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Go to filter options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. Now go back to the saving options. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the export process will begin. Once the export is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the export process was successful. Click OK, and open the destination folder to access the newly exported files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.